Do you want to send PDF file in Messenger? You can share PDF in Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a PDF file in Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in to your Facebook account. Now, open the chat of the person or group you want to send the PDF to. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap the plus icon. From the options, tap Files or Documents. Now, browse your device storage and find the PDF file you want to share. Tap on the PDF file to select it. Once selected, it will automatically be sent into the chat conversation. After sending, the PDF file will appear in the chat, and the recipient can tap on it to download or view the file.